You ever imagined what it would feel like to live in a 5-star hotel that drives itself? Well, Mercedes didn't just imagine it, they built it. Welcome to Engine Explorer, where machines get luxurious, and today, we're diving deep into something that feels almost too insane to be real. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz DoubleDecker Motorhome, a jaw-dropping, 2-story masterpiece that has its own rooftop jacuzzi, built-in supercar garage, and technology so advanced, it feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Let's start with the exterior. From the outside, this beast is nothing short of majestic, an aerodynamic, silver-clad titan stretched across a high-strength carbon alloy frame, gliding on 36 custom wheels. The entire body shimmers with active LED lighting strips, adaptive solar glass, and motorized entry platforms. But the magic begins when the double-decker doors open. Step inside and you're welcomed into a tech-drenched lounge, lined with AI reactive walls, panoramic smart glass windows, and floating stairs that lead to the upper deck. The lower floor features a full living room, set up with dynamic furniture, modular, seating that reshapes with your body posture, retractable 8K OLED walls, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Move into the kitchen, and you'll find a robotic chef station powered by Mercedes' AI assistant. From gourmet meals to fresh espresso, it's fully automated and voice responsive. But what makes this RV truly iconic is the built-in garage. Slide open the rear wall, and you'll find a luxury car lift that holds your Mercedes-AMG GT, or any vehicle up to 4 meters in length. It's like a private showroom on wheels. Now let's head upstairs. The second floor is pure opulence. You've got a full master suite with a rotating king-size bed, ceiling projection for virtual skylines, a spa-style bathroom with rainfall glass shower, and yes, heated floors. But wait for it. Step out through the auto-sliding glass doors, and you're on your own rooftop deck, complete with a jacuzzi hot tub, sun loungers, and a 360-degree panoramic view that follows the stars wherever you go. Above you, a retractable solar roof canopy. Around you, built-in surround sound and ambient lighting for a rooftop party or peaceful retreat. Performance-wise, this monster runs on a hybrid hydrogen-electric drive, giving it a whisper-quiet ride with near-endless off-grid capability. And yes, it drives itself. Level 5 autonomy, leader navigation, real-time terrain adjustment, and predictive AI routing. It even finds your next dream camping spot before you ask. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of what future travel looks like. Luxury, performance, sustainability, and a whole lot of Mercedes magic. So the question is, would you live in this instead of a penthouse? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell, because here at Engine Explorer, number 2, you're about to witness a beast redefined. This isn't just a truck. This isn't just an RV. This is the 2026 Kenworth W900 Double-Floor Motorhome, a 60-wheeled, twin-level rolling mega mansion with a rooftop jacuzzi, a car garage, and more tech than most luxury penthouses. Let's break it down from the outside. It keeps the legendary Kenworth W900 DNA, the powerful stance, the chrome front grille, those iconic stacks, but now it's stretched and elevated into a 2-story fortress on wheels. The body is armored with aircraft-grade alloys, shimmering in matte silver and reflective black, wrapped with seamless LED lighting. And yes, it still owns the road like a true king. Step inside, and you're not entering a truck. You're stepping into a mobile luxury hotel. The lower deck starts with a wide lounge built for royalty, premium leather recliners with massage and memory features. A floating 100-inch OLED TV drops from the ceiling, AI-controlled lighting and music that adapts to your mood in real time. And right across, your own glass-encased fireplace. In a truck, to the side, there's a state-of-the-art kitchen that's smarter than most apartments. An AI chef assistant, touchscreen induction cooktops, a self-cleaning oven, and a smart fridge that restocks itself via drone delivery. Moving to the rear, this is where it gets wild. With the press of a button, the tailgate folds open, revealing a built-in garage. Fully motorized with a lift, it fits a sports car, ATV, or compact electric vehicle, complete with EV charging and tool storage. It's a mobile garage and a flex like no other. Let's climb up. The upper floor is where things go full 7-star luxury. A master bedroom with a 360-degree rotating bed, starlit fiber optic ceiling, and automatic blackout glass that reacts to daylight. Next to that, a full spa bathroom, heated floors, rainfall shower, a digital mirror that doubles as a control panel, and even a body dryer system. And then the crown jewel. Open the sky hatch, step up, and you're on the rooftop deck. A full-size jacuzzi hot tub, lounge seating, ambient rail lighting, and a panoramic view that moves with you. Whether you're in the mountains, by the beach, or at a truck meet, you've got the ultimate VIP rooftop setup. And yes, it drives itself. Level 5 autonomy, terrain adaptive suspension, auto leveling, and voice-commanded navigation. This rig doesn't just move, you command it. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Double-Floor Motorhome isn't a vehicle, it's a revolution. A truck that blends power, pride, and insane comfort into one unstoppable force. Would you live in this instead of a mansion? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because what's coming next is even crazier. You thought the trucking world was all about hauling cargo and long hours on the road? Think again. Because what you're looking at is not just a truck. It's a rolling 5-star hotel disguised as a 2026 Kenworth T2000. This beast has been reimagined, re-engineered, and redefined. From rugged power to sheer luxury, this isn't your typical motorhome. This is a mobile mansion on steroids. Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving deep into the most luxurious rig on the road. Let's get into it. Number 3, the cockpit is next level. Think less truck driver and more Starship Commander. Dual digital displays wrap around you with gesture controls, satellite-linked GPS, biometric startup, and AI-assisted driving. And that steering wheel. It's leather-wrapped, heated, and even features built-in haptic alerts. It doesn't feel like driving a truck. It feels like piloting the future. Number 2, living space that puts most apartments to shame. The walls? Touch-sensitive and climate-reactive. Mood lighting? Fully adjustable with voice commands. Walk through the sliding glass door, and you're met with Italian marble flooring, suede wall panels, and a retractable 70-inch OLED screen. Yes, 70 inches. The lounge converts into a home cinema, a workspace, or a party zone with one button. But now, number 1, and this is where it gets unreal. The bathroom and bedroom suite. This isn't a corner shower situation. This is a rainfall spa, with heated floors, aromatherapy vents, and a mirror that turns into a screen. Step past that, you're in the king-sized bedroom, with a skylight that opens up automatically at night to reveal the stars. It even has a night mode that syncs with your sleep pattern. And yes, the bed massages, cools, and adjusts its firmness based on your preference. But it doesn't stop there. Built into the lower deck, a mini garage large enough for a Ducati or even a small EV. And on the rooftop, you guessed it, a jacuzzi, with ambient lighting, privacy glass walls, and Bluetooth speakers. This is more than a custom job, it's a masterpiece. Every inch of this Kenworth T2000 has been redesigned for the ultra-elite traveler who doesn't want to choose between power and luxury. Whether you're crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or just flexing on the highway, this rig makes a statement. Luxury has no limits. If you thought RVs were boring, this one just proved you completely wrong. So what do you think? Would you live in this beast? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more insane rides like this. Until next time, stay wild, stay rolling. This is Engine Explorer. You thought you knew what luxury travel looked like, but what you're about to see will destroy every expectation. This isn't a tour bus. It's not even a mansion. It's a 2-story futuristic beast on wheels, packed with a private cinema, an AI-managed living suite, and a flying drone garage. Yes, you heard that right. Meet the 2026 Apex Voyager XLR, the most insane motorhome ever engineered. Designed to blur the line between sci-fi and real life, this RV is a $9.5 million rolling palace with features even luxury jets can't match. Let's start from the outside. Its body is crafted with next-gen carbon titanium alloy, wrapped in heat-responsive smart paint that changes shades based on sunlight. At night, it glows with soft ambient lighting that makes it look like a spacecraft on the move. Now step inside, through biometric doors, of course. On the lower floor, you've got a full chef's kitchen powered by solar electric energy, a lounge with real marble flooring, and a collapsible bar that rises from the floor with a single voice command. But the real magic? The elevator. Yes, an actual silent hydraulic elevator takes you up to the second floor, where the game changes completely. Upstairs, you're greeted by a panoramic sky lounge with 360-degree electrochromic glass walls. It's soundproof, temperature-controlled, and equipped with retractable skylights. And then comes the heartstopper, a built-in cinema with Dolby Atmos, zero-gravity recliners, and a 100-inch curved OLED screen. Popcorn dispenser included. Still not impressed? How about this? At the back, a hidden hatch opens to reveal a drone bay. This isn't just for fun, it's functional. The drone garage houses 3 autonomous surveillance drones and 1 personal air taxi drone. You can actually fly ahead to scout locations, or just hover above for epic cinematic shots. It's straight out of a movie. And let's not forget the garage beneath. Yes, it has space. Welcome to Engine Explorer, where innovation meets the open road. You're about to witness a machine so extravagant, so futuristic, that it's making the ultra-wealthy second-guess their million-dollar yachts. This isn't just transportation, it's a mobile empire on wheels. This is the 2026 double-floor luxury motorhome, and it's rewriting the rules of what it means to travel in style. At first glance, it looks like a sci-fi fortress. 2 floors of gleaming armored glass, active aero panels, and 60-inch wheels wrapped in smart terrain tires. But it's what's inside that's flipping the luxury world upside down. The lower deck welcomes you with AI-powered sliding doors that open like the entrance to a spaceship. Inside, think 5-star hotel meets private jet lounge. The floors are Italian marble. The walls shift color based on your mood. There's a holographic concierge in every room that responds to voice, touch, even emotion. The living area features a panoramic 98-inch OLED screen that retracts into the ceiling, flanked by zero-gravity recliners wrapped in carbon fiber and vegan leather. The fireplace is digital, but the warmth is real. And above you, a fiber optic star ceiling mirrors the night sky in real time using satellite sync. Behind that, a fully robotic kitchen with retractable counters, a self-cleaning oven, and a refrigerator that restocks itself using drone delivery from luxury grocers. Just speak your cravings. It's already on the way, and we haven't even reached the second floor. Take the spiral glass elevator or the floating staircase to the upper deck, where things get even more surreal. A cinema-grade home theater with D-Box motion seats and 3D surround. A spa room with a retractable skylight and zero-gravity massage bed. And yes, a rooftop jacuzzi with a hidden champagne cooler and 360-degree sunset views. But that's not even the craziest part. The entire RV is powered by a hybrid solar-electric system. It charges itself. It filters its own water. It even creates atmospheric drinking water from thin air. No hookups, no limits. Need a sports car for a quick joyride? Slide open the rear panel. There's a built-in garage that fits a Porsche, 911 or 2 electric bikes. You see, yachts are stuck at sea, limited to ports, weather conditions, and fuel stops, but this machine goes anywhere. Deserts, mountains, private, islands with ferry access. No compromises. And here's why millionaires are cashing out on their sea toys. Because this double-decker masterpiece lets you wake up on a beach in Malibu, have lunch in Yosemite, and park under the stars in Montana, all in the same week. The 2026 Futuristic RV isn't just a vehicle. It's freedom, luxury, and technology, fused into something that feels like it shouldn't exist, but does. So, would you trade your yacht for 2 stories of self-driving brilliance? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.